Dear student, today we have to start joint stock company. This company form of organization is very popular. It is very most suitable for organizing business activities on a large scale. It has many advantages like attracting general public for the subscription into the shares. Share means the company's whole capital, entire capital is divided into shares, and these shares are subscribed from the publics. It means it is asked that general public buy the shares and deposit the capital into the company. So we find that sufficient quantity of capital can be collected in such type of a company, that is joint stock company, and the public who buys the shares is called the shareholders of the company. In other words, we can say the shareholders are the owners of the company, and this company is governed by the Companies Act 1956. Actually, it is an artificial person, and it has a legal entity having a common seal. The shareholders also elect the board of directors, and the shareholders indirectly control over the business. This is the definitions as well as meaning of the company. Although the different authors has given the definitions, like one definition is very popular and you have to learn these definitions given in the books, that is joint stock company is a voluntary association of individual group of persons setting up for profit. Its capital is divided in, and these shares are transferred from one shareholder to another, and the ownership of the shares is the condition of membership. This is the definitions and you have to learn it. After this, now we will see the merits or advantages of joint stock company. First advantages of joint stock company is that large amount of capital. Large amount of capital. It means company form of business can collect a large amount of capital. How? By issuing shares to general public, because the company's capital is divided into small units, and each unit of the capital is called shares, and the price or value of share is very small, so many people having small savings can also buy the shares. Thus, large amount of capital is collected in the company. Besides this, company can also collect funds by taking loans from the financial institutions also. Second merit is that limited liability. The liability of its member is limited. Because of limited liability, it attracts many people to invest their money in company form of business. But if any situations arises like loss, the creditor means who have given the loan to the company, they cannot claim over the member's personal property, but their claim can be settled with the company's assets. The persons who have given the loan to the company, for their returning, they cannot claim the member's personal property. Third is continuity or stability. The company form of business runs for a long period of time, to whom we say perpetual succession. It has a separate legal existence. The death, insolvency, and if any member becomes incapable or any member is not able to do the work in company, then it does not affect the continuity of the company. Fourth is efficient management. Since company form of business has large amount of capital, being and having a large amount of capital, company can hire professional experts. The experts who are professionals, who are expert in managerial activities, and the company gets their services, and these experts improve the efficiency and working of the company. Next is easy transferability of shares. The shares of the company can be easily transferred from one shareholders to another shareholders. At any time, the share investment can be converted into cash if the shareholder wants, and the same amount can be used to buy the shares of other company. And the last point is that public confidence. The general public has more trust and confidence in company form of business in compared to other types of business like partnership, etc. Why? Because the company form of business publicly their annual accounts, that is balance sheets, annual reports, future planning, etc. Therefore, The general public has more trust and confidence in company form of business because of their confidence. Public makes plan and invest their funds in different types of securities of different companies. It means since the public has confidence over the company form of business, therefore public willingly invest in the securities of different companies, purchase the securities of different companies, purchase the shares of different companies.